Hey guys, Terry here. Just wanted to show a new product that we have that came out. We've had the rear land level or the front land leveler that we came out with a couple years ago. Had great success with that, and then we started making the 3-point land leveler, and then we just decided to put them together. So because there's so many benefits of having it both ways. So some people just want a gravel driveway. The rear is probably the best for that. Other guys want to go like out in the woods and do a different clearing or different landscaping. It's a whole lot easier, and you got a whole lot maneuverability with the front end loader versus your 3-point if you're doing stuff around a house or around different areas of landscaping and hillsides and whatever you may come up with. So, but just a few things I just kind of wanted to run over of how this works and operates. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's all bolt together, but right now we're on, the front side. So you can put your weights up here too. On the front, you don't necessarily need them. I just wanted to show the weights on here just for this demonstration, but because you have your down force or down pressure from your loader, the weight of the front of your tractor and stuff. So you have quite a bit of weight, but if you want to add some more weight so you can dig in better, you certainly can do that. Um, but if so, right now for the front land level or the front side, this works great. But if you're going to be like in a really rocky, like big rocks or something, or some kind of landscaping or hillside or something, around some trees, and some woods or whatever that you just want to clear off the top, get rid of all them branches and brush and everything that's there. Um, I would recommend removing this because this does stick out in front of it. So if you were to go too far and hit a tree or hit a rock or the hillside or something, you could bend all this. So, I mean, it's 4 bolts on this side and 3 here. So, 7 bolts, 14 bolts total. I mean, 5 minutes with an impact or whatever. Um, and, you got this taken off or whatever. So, I'd recommend that if you're going to be doing that. But if you're just out in the wide open, and this isn't really a visibility problem, I just leave it on there. So just make sure if you're around stuff that if you hit it, you can damage it and bend it. So, but that's as far as the front goes. Now to reverse it around to the back, I mean, there's just these 6 bolts on each side, and then there is 2 more in the center here also. These bolts right down here. So you just take them out and it would come off. So I mean, you could probably even leave, these angles on and just take out the 3 on the bottom and then them 2 back there, and you'd be able to take it off. So personal preference of how it comes on and off. That's up to you guys of what you want to do. But like I said, if you're not in heavy wood or other landscaping that you can hit this with, you can leave it on for simplicity. So it works out really nice. You just set this down and turn your tractor around, and or actually drive forward and back up to it and hook it up. So um, I would recommend, if you're using your 3-point, um, I'd recommend having the weights back here because there is no down pressure on the smaller tractors, the 1 and 2 series. So, but you can get up to 8 70-pound weights on here. So like this 2025R that I currently have, if I load this up with weights, it's everything to get it up off the ground about 8 inches or so. So it is definitely a lot of weight back there, but it does go in the gravel good. So with that, I'm excited about our new product. Okay, one other thing that's critical when you're hooking this up too, and this is with all the implements as well, but being that this is flat here, you're not going to get any. If you're coming up to a tiller, your tiller will kind of roll back a little bit, but this isn't going to really roll back much. So your adjustable top link does play a big key in this or whatever, so you have to make sure that you have that adjusted properly, so you can see that I'm way off on my lower pins. So I just got to keep bringing my top adjustable top link up, so then that way I can get the top and the bottom are the same. So if mine ran way out with some of the other stuff that we were using, where for this we got to have it brought in. So just another quick little tip.